Imagine a world where every aspect of your life is seamlessly enhanced and personalized to cater to your unique needs and preferences. Well, that world is closer than you think, thanks to the remarkable advancements in artificial intelligence, AI. Today, we delve into the realm of possibilities as we explore how AI is set to revolutionize and transform your everyday existence. Get ready to witness the power of AI as we uncover the ways it can change your life. AI is here to enhance our lives, not replace us. It's all about breaking free from mind-numbing tasks and unleashing our potential. Picture this. With AI as your trusty sidekick, you can delegate those repetitive jobs to machines while you tackle the more exciting and fulfilling aspects of your work and personal life. Embrace the power of AI and witness how it streamlines processes, boosts efficiency, and supercharges your productivity. Think about the hours wasted on mundane tasks. AI can swoop in and save the day. Let it handle the data crunching, the tedious paperwork, and the repetitive processes, so you can focus on what truly matters. Whether it's pursuing your passions, unleashing your creativity, or spending quality time with loved ones, AI clears the path for you to achieve more, do more, and be more. AI is like having a personal genie that knows your every wish and desire. It's all about customization and getting exactly what you want, when you want it. Picture this. Imagine your favorite online store suggesting products that match your unique style and taste, or a streaming service recommending shows and movies tailored to your interests. That's the power of AI-driven personalization. But it's not just about shopping and entertainment. AI is transforming industries across the board. From healthcare to travel, from finance to education, businesses are leveraging AI to understand their customers on a whole new level. They're using AI to anticipate your needs, offer personalized recommendations, and save you precious time and effort. So how can you make the most of AI's personalization superpowers? Embrace it. Embrace the apps, services, and technologies that harness AI to tailor experiences just for you. Sign up for personalized newsletters, explore AI-powered recommendation engines, and embrace the convenience of smart assistants like Alexa and Siri. Your world is about to get a whole lot more tailored and personalized, thanks to the magic of AI. Join the AI revolution. Like, share, and subscribe to NXT Gen for more exciting content. Say goodbye to being glued to screens all day. Thanks to AI, you can now break free and interact with technology in a whole new way. Imagine this. Instead of typing away at your keyboard, you can simply speak your commands and watch as AI-powered voice assistants work their magic. Need to send an important email? Just dictate it to your trusty virtual assistant. Looking for information? Ask a question, and AI will fetch the answers for you. Want to stay organized? Your voice assistant is there to manage your tasks and appointments, keeping you on top of your game. With AI, you can reclaim your time and be more present in the moment. No more struggling to type on tiny screens or getting lost in the digital abyss. Just speak up, and AI will be your knowledgeable companion, ready to assist you wherever you go. Get ready to enter the world of smart homes. Picture this. AI-based home automation that's not only super cool, but also saves you some serious cash while saving the planet. How? Let me tell you. Say hello to smart thermostats and other AI-driven solutions that work tirelessly behind the scenes to optimize your energy consumption. They're like the brain of your home, constantly analyzing data and making smart decisions to keep things comfortable while minimizing waste. By installing a smart thermostat, you become an energy-saving hero. Imagine collectively, if everyone in the world had one, we could save hundreds of millions of dollars annually in wasted energy. That's not just good for our wallets. It's great for the environment too. AI isn't just about cool gadgets. It's about supercharging businesses and making them more efficient than ever before. Picture this. AI's lightning-fast processing speed that leaves human capabilities in the dust. With AI on their side, companies can make decisions at warp speed, thanks to AI's ability to analyze data and provide insights in the blink of an eye. No more hours spent poring over spreadsheets and reports. AI's got it covered, but that's not all. AI also revolutionizes data collection, effortlessly gathering and organizing massive amounts of information. It's like having a data-savvy assistant who does all the heavy lifting, leaving you with more time to focus on the big picture. And let's not forget about automation. AI can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up valuable time and resources for companies to dedicate to what really matters, providing exceptional customer experiences and driving innovation. Get ready to unlock the secret to supercharging your company's success. AI is here to revolutionize the way businesses operate by automating those tedious, time-consuming tasks that eat up precious hours. Say goodbye to mind-numbing manual labor and hello to a world where AI takes care of the nitty-gritty, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. AI's automation superpowers optimize resource allocation, ensuring that your time and energy are dedicated to the things that drive your company's growth and wow your customers. No more wasting valuable resources on mundane tasks that don't contribute to the bottom line. Imagine the possibilities when your team is freed from the shackles of repetitive work. You'll have more time to create extraordinary customer experiences, strategize for the future, and take your company to new heights. Say goodbye to those frustrating travel planning headaches, and hello to a future where AI acts as your personal travel agent, customizing your trips like never before. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights on the future of AI on NXT Gen. Imagine this: AI-powered tools that delve deep into your preferences, analyzing every detail to find the perfect travel options just for you. From flights to accommodations and everything in between, AI has got your back. It's like having a super smart friend who knows exactly what you love and how to make your travel dreams a reality. No more sifting through endless websites or second-guessing your choices. With AI by your side, you'll experience seamless and tailored travel experiences that match your unique tastes and needs. It's like having a personal concierge that's available 24/7, dedicated to making your adventures unforgettable. So, get ready to embrace the future of travel planning. Let AI be your guide, taking the stress out of organizing your trips and unlocking a world of personalized travel experiences. It's time to sit back, relax, and let AI work its magic. Your dream getaway is just a few clicks away. Get ready to dive into a world where AI becomes our trusty moral compass. Picture this: AI as a guiding voice that nudges us towards making the right choices, keeping us on the path of truth and integrity. Imagine a future where AI acts as a vigilant monitor, exposing any sneaky mistruths that come our way. It's like having a truth-detecting superhero by our side, shining a light on deception and ensuring transparency in our world. With data becoming more ubiquitous and verifiable than ever before, the very concept of truth could undergo a radical transformation. AI's incredible capabilities could redefine what it means to be honest, making it less tempting for anyone to bend the truth. In summary, we've witnessed the incredible potential of AI to transform our lives in 10 remarkable ways.
From freeing up humans and enabling deeper personalization to saving time, optimizing resource allocation, and acting as a personal travel agent, AI is poised to revolutionize our world. Embrace the AI revolution and discover a future where technology empowers us to live smarter, more fulfilling lives. Interested in how else AI can make your life easier? Make sure you check out our next video, where we go over AI tools you need in your life. Thanks for watching, and if you still haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Join the revolution and hit the bell button so you stay up to date when we post.